Good morning, children. I hope you all are fine at your home. Here also I am very good, Nana. This is social subject. So in the holidays of Corona, you all are staying at your home, isn't it? So you all are forget the basic things of social. Not only social but also all the subjects. That is why in this social subject I am going to explaining you basic things. That is, in the basic things, the first explanation is about water bodies. Water bodies means rivers are there, oceans are there, seas are there, tanks, like that. So many water bodies are there, but here I am going to explaining about ocean. So ocean is also water body, river is also ocean body, but what is the difference between ocean and rivers, water bodies? So very large water bodies are called ocean. Okay, small water bodies are called seas. Okay, so today I am going to explaining about large water bodies is nothing but ocean. So do you know how many oceans are there? How many oceans are there? Do you remember? Yes, there are 5 oceans are there. So first one is, what is the first one? Pacific Ocean. What it is? Pacific Ocean. And second one is Atlantic Ocean. Third one is Indian Ocean. So fourth one is Antarctic Ocean. Southern Ocean is also called Antarctic Ocean. Antarctic Ocean is nothing but Southern Ocean. So two names are there, Antarctic or Southern Ocean. And fifth one is Arctic Ocean. Okay, Nana? So difference between large water bodies and small water bodies. Very large water bodies are called oceans, Nana. Small water bodies are called seas, rivers and lakes. Okay, my dears. So I thought you remember the spellings of oceans. See, Nana, first one is Pacific Ocean. Pacific. Pacific Ocean. 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 Pacific Ocean. It is very large water body, Nana. It is very largest ocean. Okay. It is occupied um, here and here also. So our earth is looking like this shape. So that is why it is looking here and here also. Okay, my dears. That is the Pacific Ocean. Pacificocean. Pacific Ocean. Okay. Next, second one is Atlantic Ocean. Atlantic. Atlantic Ocean. See, Nana, from here to there. It is occupied here to there. See, Nana, what is the shape of Atlantic Ocean? Yes, it is looking like the letter of S. S letter, Nana. What is the spelling of this ocean? Atlantic Ocean. Atlantic Ocean. Atlanticocean. Atlantic Ocean. Okay, my dears. Next, third one. Indian Ocean. What is the spelling? Indian. So where we are living? Which country? In which country we are living? Yes, that is absolutely India. So it is near to our country, isn't it? So that name is Indian Ocean. Indian. Indian Ocean. Do you know the spelling of our country? After that we have to add N letter, then we should write the spelling of Indian Ocean. So what is the spelling of our country? India, isn't it? Yes, India. So after this word we have to add N letter, then it will be pronunciate as Indian Ocean. So you have to keep only N letter with the spelling of India. INDIAN, Indian Ocean, OCEAN, Indian Ocean. Okay, Nana? So next fourth one is Antarctic Ocean, or in the starting I told you it is another name is Southern Ocean. So this is totally which side, Nana? What is the top side of our our world? That is none another north part, and downside is south. So south side ocean is there, that is why Antarctic Ocean is called as Southern Ocean. Okay, Antarctic Ocean spelling is ANTARCTIC, Antarctic Ocean, OCEAN. Once again see, Nana, Antarctic, ANTARCTIC, Antarctic Ocean. Okay, Nana? Next, last one, Arctic Ocean, Nana. It is the top ocean, Nana, top part. See the spelling of Arctic Ocean, ARCTIC, Arctic Ocean, OCEAN, Arctic Ocean. This is totally top part is covered by Arctic Ocean. Okay. See again the spelling of Arctic Ocean, ARCTIC, Arctic Ocean, OCEAN, Arctic Ocean. So this is the smallest ocean among all five. Okay, and largest is Pacific Ocean. This is the first one, this is the largest, and this is the smallest. Okay, Nana, I hope you all are understood these oceans. Now I'll tell you once again. So first one is Pacific Ocean, second one is Atlantic Ocean, and third one is Indian Ocean, fourth one is Antarctic Ocean, and the final last one is Arctic Ocean. So the spelling of Pacific is PACIFIC, Pacific, OCEAN, Pacific Ocean. Second one is Atlantic, ATLANTIC, Atlantic Ocean, OCEAN, Atlantic Ocean. Third one is Indian Ocean, INDIAN, OCEAN, Indian Ocean. Next one is Antarctic Ocean, ANTARCTIC, OCEAN, Ocean, Antarctic Ocean. And the smallest last one is Arctic Ocean, ARCTIC, OCEAN, Arctic Ocean, ARCTIC, OCEAN, Arctic Ocean. So I hope you all are remind all our oceans, Nana. So what is the shape of Arctic Ocean? Yes, that is absolutely S shape. Okay. Next, what is the largest ocean among all five? Yes, that is absolutely Pacific Ocean. Next, the smallest one is, what is the smallest ocean? I'll give you one clue also, that is lies in the top of our world. What it is? Yes, absolutely, that is Arctic Ocean. Next, on our country name. So with the clue, our country name. So what it is, Nana? Our country name is India. So that ocean name is, yes, Indian Ocean, Indian Ocean. Okay. One ocean is, two names are there. That is, second name is Southern Ocean. So what is that? Atlantic Ocean. Okay, Nana, and sorry, Antarctic Ocean, Atlantic and Antarctic and Arctic. These three oceans are confusing, isn't it? So you have to by heart the spellings of these three. Okay, children, I hope you all are understood these oceans. So in another video, I'll make you another basic things, Nana. Until then, have to stay home and stay safe. Thank you. Bye.